Hi everybody, and welcome to the following of Vote 3.soul. In the last part we managed to finish all the functions and codes related to the smart contract, and then we also compiled it. Now in this video we're going to deploy the contract and see how it works and see if there are any problems at all. So as you can see here in the deploy section, we need to write an array of the strings of the people who are the candidates. So the candidates number could be 3, 2, or any other numbers. So for example, here I enter 3 candidates. For example, Sally, Sarah, and for example, Mike. So notice that all of these are strings, so don't forget about the quotation marks around them, and also for Sarah and for Mike. So now let's deploy this and get right into here. As you can see, we've got the vote section where you can vote, and you can also see the total votes down here. No votes has been casted, and you can here check whether the address that you have chosen has voted or not. And here you can get the candidate. So with the candidate ID, for example, here I can enter 1 and the name is Sally, the number of votes is 0. So 2, Sarah, and I can enter 3, which is Mike. Can get the number of candidates here, which is 3, and here we have the candidates option, which I think here you should write the name of the candidate. So for example, if I write Mike, or let me try the string. So Mike. So I will try this, I will take a look at this, but first of all let's vote. And here for example, I can vote with the candidate ID. So here, as you can see, you should enter a number. So the vote is, for example, you can vote with 1 and check the number of total votes is 1. So this address has voted. You can check the address has voted and it's true. So we can get the candidate 1 number of votes, it's Sally, and 1 vote has been given to Sally, and the candidates count is 3 still. So here the candidates is again with the same with the get candidates. So here you can see the vote count and the name and also the ID. Here you have their also the keys of these values in front of them, but here we don't have, but there's no difference. So now you can change the address, but before we do that, let's vote again. And as you can see, we can't do that because we have already voted. So as you can see, already voted will appear. So I can change the address and try with the second address. I can vote to, for example, Mike, transact, and now let's check the votes of the number 2. As you can see, Sarah, no votes. Number 3, Mike, 1 vote. So let's change the address, and here let's vote to Sarah. And now let's check the total votes. It's 3 for all of the candidates. So now get the candidate 2, and as you can see, Sarah, and 1 vote has been given to Sarah. So 1 to Mike, 1 to Sarah, 1 to Sally. As you can see, that's true. And here we can change in the address and vote to number, for example, 3 another time, and check the candidate 3. As you can see, votes has been incremented to 2, and the total votes are 4. So all of the functionalities of the smart contracts works very well, and they are all right. So this is a better way to write a voting smart contract. Maybe a good practice for you is to also add a function to decide which one of the candidates have been given the maximum number of votes, and then here you can retrieve the winner. So for example, here you can define a function retrieve winner, and you click on it, and then you can see the name under it. So this is a very good practice for you to get better with the smart contracts. You can do it, and you can comment the results in the comment section. So that's it for this part of the tutorial, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and until the next one, goodbye.